Hello and welcome to Healthie's video on setting patient goals. By leveraging Healthie's goal feature, you'll be able to set personalized and realistic goals with your patients, providing them with actionable steps they need to take to make progress towards positive health outcomes. In this video, we'll learn how to create a new goal, modify or delete an existing goal, track goal completion rates and streaks, and adjust goal notifications. To create a new goal for a patient, first, navigate to the client's page by clicking that page on the left side navigation menu, and then select the patient you would like to set a goal for in your patient list. Now, navigate to the Goals page by clicking on the Goals tab in the menu bar at the top of the patient's profile. By default, both patients and providers have the ability to create a new goal. You can start the process by clicking on the blue Create Goal button in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Here, fill in the details such as the name, description, and frequency of the goal, and keep in mind that you can apply a favorite if you've already created a similar goal in the past. Under the additional options, you can set additional parameters. First, you can indicate if you want the goal to start immediately or if you want it to begin in the future. By deselecting Start Immediately, you're able to specify a future start date. If this is a recurring goal for daily or weekly goals, you also have the ability to specify if it has no end date or deselect that option to specify an end date. If instead this is a one-time goal, you'll have the option to specify a due date. Or again, you can select this option if it has no due date. You can also choose whether there will be sub-goals. Sub-goals can be helpful if you want to break up a larger goal into components. For example, here, if we're setting a goal for our patient to drink 8 glasses of water each day, we might include a sub-goal to specify how many glasses of water they should drink at each meal, or at certain points in the day. When creating or editing a goal for a specific patient, you can create a goal template to use in the future by checking the box at the bottom, Add as Favorite. This way, when you apply a goal to another patient in the future or this patient, you can find this option under your favorites here. When you're done filling in all the details of your goal, select Create Goal at the bottom. The goal will now be visible to your patient for them to view and mark as completed, which they can do when logged into their portal from a web browser or the Healthie mobile app. After you've created a goal for your patient, you can easily modify or delete it as needed, even if they've already started working on it. To edit an existing goal, find the goal that you'd like to modify and select the 3 dots all the way to the right, which is the Actions button. Here, select Edit. You'll be able to make any changes directly and then scroll to the bottom to select Update Goal and save your changes. Since goals can be scheduled to begin in the future, you'll need to adjust the date range on this dashboard for your goals view in order to see and modify future goals. In this case, where you need to edit an upcoming goal, select Change Date and adjust the time range. Select Apply, and now you'll be able to see all goals that fall within this date range. You can also delete an existing goal. Find the goal that you'd like to delete, and again, under Actions all the way to the right, select the Delete option, where you'll then be asked to confirm that you'd like to delete the goal. What makes Healthie's goal setting feature unique is your ability as a wellness provider to keep track of your patient's progress. You can utilize goal setting to engage with your patients, support them, and hold them accountable for making health changes. For each wellness goal you've created for your patient, you can see a % of progress made towards completing the individual goal. Simply select the Actions button again and view details. Here you can see completion rate and streaks for just this goal. Similar information lives on the main goals dashboard here for overall completion rate and streaks. The streaks number indicates how many times in a row a patient has completed a goal. If they complete a daily task 3 days in a row, that'll count as a streak. And if they complete a weekly goal 3 weeks in a row, they'll start another streak. Patients will be able to see their streaks and feel motivated to consistently achieve their goals. To help patients complete their goals, They can be notified about them by two modes, through email or through the mobile app using push notifications. You can choose for patients to be notified by either or both methods and adjust the frequency for each as well. To adjust notifications for all patients, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your portal and navigate to your settings. Then click the Journal Entries page under the Features section on the left-hand menu. At the bottom of the Settings page, you'll find the Goals section. The frequency of which patients can be notified of their goals include never, daily, weekly, and monthly. These settings can also be adjusted on a client group level or an individual patient level. To adjust notifications for one single patient, navigate to the patient's profile within Healthie, and then select their Actions tab. Here, select Settings, and again, we can scroll to the bottom of our client portal settings to find the Goals section. Here, we'll see the same notification options as we did with our global settings. We can make any adjustments needed, and then make sure to save our patient's settings.